In this video, I will show you how to make this Bugle crystal bracelet. So, let's start. So this is our materials for today. We have 4mm of roundel beads, Milky 11.0 ivory seed beads. We also have 8.0, same color as ivory, and we have 9mm of bugle beads, clasp, and jump ring. And we will need, first I will pick 3 bugle beads and 1 8.0. So drop it. This. And knot them. Like this. So we are exiting here on this side. Now pass a needle here. Now we'll go to pass through this bugle bead. And I will pick 1 ivory, and 1 11.0 ivory, and pass the needle to this bugle bead, and 8.0, and to this ivory, and to this ivory, like this. And the next is, I will pick 3 roundel beads, 1 11.0, and 3 roundel beads, like this. So we are exiting from here to this ivory, and now we'll pass the needle here to the next ivory 11.0 seed beads. Like this. So we are exiting here, and I will pass the needle to this bugle bead until we reach here. Bugle beads and roundel. And then I will pass the needle to these 2 roundel beads and 11.0. Like this. The next is, I will pick 3 bugle beads. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle to the opposite side of our working thread, like this. Give it some pull, and I will pass the needle to this bugle bead. Now we'll pick 1 11.0, pass the needle to this bugle bead, like this, and 11.0, pass the needle through this bugle beads and 11.0. this. Let me try this. Now pass the needle here. So this bugle beads and 11 like this. So we are pulling the thread, and I will pick 3 roundel beads, 1, 2, 3 roundel and 1 11 and 3 roundel. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass the needle to this 11 and bugle beads. Oh, like this. Pass through this 11 and bugle beads and 11. Pull to make it more steady, like this. Now we'll pass the needle to these 3 roundel beads and 11. So this is our pattern for today, and I will do the other unit and I'll be back. So I'm back. This is the last unit, and I will attach 3 rumble, 1 8 and 3 rumble. So sorry, I'll pull it down and pass the needle here to this 11 and bugle beads in 11. Like this, and then reinforce it like this. Pass a needle here to these beads, all of these beads, and knot them. So this is our finishing part. And then I will knot them. So I will cut the thread and attach our clasp and jumper. Anyway, we need 2 jump ring because we will attach to this part. Oops. Okay. And then I will attach to the other side of our bracelet. So like this, and here this. So this is our bracelet for today. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.